What direction?
Wait a second. No! I'm gonna cry.
What is it?
I can't. I'm crying. You got me one thing.
Well, don't get tears on.
Where at? Oh my God.
Indianapolis.
I'm okay.
So where are we going?
Indianapolis.
For what?
Well, it's okay. Calm down. Here you're gonna wrinkle them and they won't scan.
Let's see what else was in the box.
Oh my God.